Shilpa. Shilpa is another dear friend, but that's a different thing. वो आजकल हमारा phone नहीं उठाती, हमें call back नहीं करती. But yes, she's still a friend. Hopefully, after seeing this thing, she can call me back and we can do a little chit chat. Ravi Raj, why are you making those angry faces for what? Why are you so angry in life, bro? Okay, all these UAE fans, I'm not understanding what you're saying, so I'm just going to ignore it. Because I don't understand how do I reply? Tell about Sarah and Dheeraj. What do you want me to tell you about? Those people are sweetheart. They really work hard to do what they're doing. They're fantastic actors, amazing human beings, and I learn a lot from them. A lot. Matlab, every day is a learning experience from them. They're very good. बुआ आपके हमेशा अरे बुआ की फेवरेट हूँ यार मैं, तो वो मेरी फेवर में ही रहेंगे ना हमेशा. आई एम सच अ स्वीट बहू टू देम एंड उनकी चॉइस हूँ मैं, तो वो मेरे से हमेशा अच्छे ही रहेंगे ना, इसीलिए. यू आर ब्यूटिफुल. थैंक यू. दैट्स सो स्वीट ऑफ यू यार. लाइक आप लोग कितना ब्यूटिफुल, अच्छे स्वीट इंसान हो कि आपको हर कोई इंसान ब्यूटिफुल लगता है. थैंक यू. थैंक्स अ लॉट. I Karan accept Preeta, please tell me. For that you have to keep watching the show if Karan accepts Preeta or not. And yeah, you'll come to know. How is Shivendra Bhaiya of your Screwy Squad? He's very good. He's not in town right now. He's in Jaipur and I miss him a lot. But hopefully he'll be back soon. So I'll get to irritate him more, be with him more. Like this whole married life has been very beautiful. I have no complaints. I feel like I'm staying with my best friend. So anyone who says that marriage is not good, it's not fun, they're lying. Or maybe they don't have a right partner. A right partner. Oh, how do you keep so slim? Shraddha Arya is asking me, how do you keep slim with even 2 years of pregnancy? That you should ask Mr. Anil Nagpal. And I don't think I stay slim. I have that baby bump. Shraddha Arya. और मैं तुमसे inspired हूँ. तुम जो इतनी slim, trim, sexy रहती हो हमेशा. So I'm inspired by you. No more pregnancy questions, especially from you, Shraddha Arya, Urf Preeta. Preeta is so good. Yeah, Preeta is very good. No, 3 years. No, it's not 3 years. Diya Rao. 3 साल तो शो को हुए. मतलब मुझे काम करते 3 साल से प्रेगनेंसी कहाँ हो गई. रेनू नागर, हरियाणा. Listen, I always wanted to diet plan. So you to have his number. Why don't you call him, Shraddha Arya, and ask him? And if you find it, please let me also know about the diet plan. I'm really struggling to lose some weight, or actually get fitter. Not lose weight, to get fitter. Again, what are you guys writing in Arabic? I don't understand. In Kundli Bhagya, I love your attitude. Thank you. That's so sweet of you. You are too moon. What do you mean by you're too moon? Does it mean that you're round? Or does it mean that you're too bright? Or do you sparkle in the night? Or you love me till the moon? I don't understand. Better English. Or better grammar. Bebo Ism. Nice name, bro. Al Habibi. Listen guys, all you UAE friends, I think you should talk to Shraddha Arya because she knows Arabic language and she would be able to talk to you in your language. मुझे तो पता नहीं है कैसे बात कर रहे हो. She will be able to talk to you. I am not taking anyone's name today, Let's do fun questions. I love UAE. Obviously, every one of us love UAE. But you know the language, so I'm sure you love it more. Actually, full moon, you're round. Shilpa Sangvi, I'm not round. I'm beautiful like a moon. That's why I've named myself Chan Bibi, Chan Bibi, something like that. Whatever you like. Twinkle Bashish, how are you, darling? How's your Ahmedabad trip going on? I keep seeing your pictures. You've been playing with a dog. You've been doing all your photo shoots. It looks good, yeah. Someone please sing for us. Shraddha Arya want me to sing for you guys, even after knowing I'm a terrible singer. और आपने तो कल जो वीडियो श्रद्धा आर्या ने शेयर किया था सिंगिंग का हमारे कुंडली के सेट से, वो तो देखा ही होगा. तो शी इज अ वेरी गुड सिंगर. आप प्लीज उसे ही कहिएगा जब वो नेक्स्ट टाइम लाइव आएंगे गाना गाने के लिए. मैं तो गाना नहीं गा सकती. आई एम नॉट इवन अ बात. प्लीज डांस फॉर अस. I will do a private performance for you, Shraddha Arya. Next time when I see you, maybe tomorrow, day after. लगता है आज तुम्हारा जल्दी पैकअप हो गया है, या तुम आज बहुत वेली बैठी हो. आप हमारे रिप्ली ही नहीं दे रहे. रिप्ली क्या होता है? रिप्लीज बिलीव इट और नॉट आता था, रिप्लाई होता है. आपका क्या रिप्लाई मैं दूं? लाइक आई रियली वांट टू नो. Please add Shraddha Arya. Do you think it's a good idea, Shraddha Arya? Should I add you in the live chat? If she says yes, then I will add, or I will not. So you guys should convince Shraddha Arya to be added. How's your bond with Swati Kapoor? It's a very good bond, yeah. Like she's a very sweet girl, you know. She takes time to open up and all, but she's a very good actor. Look, viewers are loving your look on screen. Keep up the good work. Oh, that's so sweet, you guys, yeah. I struggle to look how I look, but if you're liking it, thank you. Oh, thank you, baby boo. That's so sweet of you. How are you feeling now? That is the question. Add me too. Shilpa Sangvi, they are asking for Shraddha Arya, not Shilpa Sangvi. I think Shraddha Arya has gone offline now, so I can't add her. If she is, she will reply. And yeah, so till the time she replies, let's see what else. आज shoot नहीं था. नहीं यार, आज मेरा off था, so there was no shoot today. I've been chilling at home from last couple of days. Shraddha Arya shoot कर रहे हैं, I'm at home. Add me please, Neelam. Maybe next time. अरे श्रद्धा आर्या आई थिंक ऑफलाइन चली गई है. अगर वो ऑनलाइन होती तो रिप्लाई कर देती, या फिर उसे नहीं चाहिए कि हम उसे ऐड करें. Yes. Okay, I think I'm just going. Now there is nothing. You're just going saying hi, hello, smiley faces. If you have any questions, let's talk, or else I shall go. So how's everything in Mumbai? Mumbai, things are not that good right now. But on set, at least we are taking all precautions and trying to shoot and be careful as much as we can. So yeah, but things are a little bit on a Damadol side for Mumbai right now. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna go offline now. हो गया. I had just come here to say hi to you guys and अपना contact number दे दो. आपका बड़ा friend है, आपका बड़ा fan हूँ या friend है? I am not giving my number. Why will I give my number? I really want to know. Love you, Sameer. क्या समीर आया है यहाँ पर? मुझसे तो मिस हो गया शायद. To everyone, who do you choose as Sherlyn, Rakhi or Dadi, Mahira or Prithvi? मतलब क्या? What was the question? I'm calling you in 5 minutes. Don't call me in 5 minutes, Shilpa Sangvi, if I'm still online. I'm not going to answer your call. Okay, bye guys. It was nice talking to you. Can you share DIY hair mask? Really, my hair really needs some pampering. So maybe someday if I do a DIY hair mask, I will let you guys know about it and maybe make a video, you know, and you guys can let me know how it is. When can we expect to see you in positive role? Not right now. अभी तो मैं negative role करके ही बहुत खुश हूँ. Saudi Arabia. Thank you, Ria. What are we investing next in? Listen, today the share market was very fluctuated or very down. So let's hold on for some time and then we will invest in something else. Anchor Yasha Shah official. Love from USA. Thank you guys. That's so sweet of you. My hair is good. My hair needs little bit of pampering here right now. बहुत dry हो गए. So maybe I think I should just go for a hair spa or something like that. रूटीन शेयर करूँगी, ठीक है, जल्दी करूँगी. मे बी जिस दिन अभी नेक्स्ट मेरा ऑफ रहेगा तो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोना डू. मे बी डू अ हेयर मास्क फॉर यू गाइज एंड सी हाउ इट वर्क्स. ठीक है, बाय गाइज. लवली टॉकिंग टू यू एंड होप टू सी यू सून. And keep watching Kundli Bhagya, keep loving Sherlyn and the whole cast of Kundli Bhagya. That's all I want to say.